What's up guys, my name is Angelina. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you guys my makeup collection as well as how I store it. I had left to Georgia not too long ago, and as I was packing I decided not to bring all my makeup, so I gave some away to my sisters, and now I'm back in New York and my makeup little station is back. I'm so happy. So basically all the makeup, well, most of the makeup that I have is makeup that I actually use or want to try out and stuff like that. I just want to film this video to look back at it, you know. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. So this is an overview of it. I got the mirror from Amazon, the desk is from Walmart, and the chair is from Burlington, and these drawers are from Michaels. I'll try to leave everything link down below so you guys could just check it out. So let's start off from the left corner. I have some like facial sprays. I got this container from Amazon. It was a set. The first thing is this Juicy Couture brush in sponge cleansing liquid. I never use this, I just think it's cute, so I just put that there. And then my Sephora cleansing water, which I use to take off my makeup all the time. Mario Badescu facial spray, Max Fix Plus, a sample size of Smashbox primer water, and this right here is a lip scrub. And in the middle I have this 3 container that's like attached to each other. I got this also from Amazon. This is where I keep all my brushes, obviously. The first thingy, I keep all my powder brushes, and the middle one is all my eye brushes, and lastly is all like my liquid brushes for like foundations. 90% of these brushes are affordable. I got some dress up brushes, Wet n Wild, Real Techniques, Luxie brushes. I have some e.l.f. in here, some Morphe, Eagles Tools, Anastasia, and that's about it. And then this was a part of the set that I mentioned earlier, the first container. This is where I keep my natural hair care. Got 3 Diva Curl and Tresemme. Over here is like 2 little hand sanitizer. So I got this container from Burlington, and it's so cute because it has this like mirror thing on the back of the top, which I use all the time. This is where I keep all my sponges. Specifically bought this just so it could be on my desk because it is such the cutest thing, isn't it? Here I have my thank you cards for my business. If you guys do not know, I sell lashes. I'll leave the link of my website down below so you guys could check it out. And then this right here is what I use to clean my brushes. This was a part of the set of the Juicy Couture thing. So on the side of the mirror it has like a dimmer and to turn on and off the light. Let me back up so you guys can see. This is not the brightest, but yeah. And then on the opposite side it has an outlet. I always keep my phone charger there. It's like not all the way to the wall, so I just hide some Q-tips, some cotton pads, and a Sephora bag of samples and stuff. So the desk itself has 1 drawer right here. I have some a lot of Cocoa lashes going straight up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row going straight up, and then 1 house of lashes that I got from my boxy charm, and these are Lily lashes. I got 4 of these, some drugstore back here, and these are actually my lashes that I sell. These are my samples, and I kept them in its regular like container plastic thingy instead of putting it in my packaging because it just makes no sense. Keep a little toothbrush here for my edges, and then this is a eyebrow razor, and then this little container I got from Burlington. I have a Vaseline chapstick and some Kiss eyelash glue. These are legit the best tweezers ever. These are the Ardell tweezers. 2 scissors to cut my like eyelashes and crap, and then this is an eyebrow pencil that I use legit all the time, and a Wet n Wild sharpener. This was a part of the containers that I bought on Amazon, both of these. And inside here I got some Barbie pins, some fur bands, and then right here this was a Tarte eye cream. Let me see if I can open it. Oh yes, your girl can open it. I actually have my septum piercings in here, and then right here I just have some tools. I have an eyelash curler. This is one of those things to clean your makeup brushes, like to take the color off. It doesn't necessarily clean it, just like takes the color off, you know. So that's it for the top. Let's move over. I have my purse on top of here, and in the back I have this box of like makeup that I want to do for a giveaway, and I got this from Forever 21. It's a body mist, and then I don't know why did my boyfriend put his little Gucci cologne there, because it don't belong there. So moving on to the drawer. So my first drawer is basically my face stuff. I have some foundations, primers, and on the side some mini facial sprays, concealers, and liquid highlighters. These two containers I got from the Dollar Tree, and this one is from TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna start off over here with my foundation. I have two Makeup Revolution foundation sticks, one in the shade F8 and the other in the shade F10, and I have mixed emotions towards that foundation. And then I have a Maybelline Dewy Skin foundation in the shade 225 medium buff. This was actually sent to me by Influencer. If you guys do not know about Influencer, I'll leave them linked down below in the video that I did. This is like one of my favorite foundations ever. This one is in the shade 220. This one is the Matte Poreless by Maybelline. My second favorite foundation is the Fenty Beauty. This kind of oxidizes, that's why it's not like my favorite, and plus the price. And this one is in the shade 240. And then I have a Wet n Wild Photo Focus, also sent to me by Influencer. This is the CoverGirl True Blend, and this is too light for me. This is in the shade M10. CoverGirl Ultra Smooth. This I use to like cream contour. And then over here my primers. This is the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter. This is a sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish, which is my favorite primer. And right here I have this Becca Velvet Blurring Primer, Baby Skin Primer, and then another full-size Photo Finish from Smashbox. This was sent to me by Influencer. It was a set with the other CoverGirl foundation. This is the color neutralizing one, the green one, and then this was sent to me by Influencer with the Maybelline Dewy foundation, and this one is the Master Primer. I have another Smashbox Photo Finish. I got this Cover FX blurring primer. Have two sample size of the Becca backlight priming filter, and I got this Touch and Soul primer, little sample size of Smashbox Photo Finish primer and moisturizer in one. Moving on to concealers, I have the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade 6C, the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. This is a little bit too light for me. Age Rewind by Maybelline in the shade Neutralizer. The Fit Me concealer, this one is in 25, and then the bottom one is in 20. Master Conceal by Maybelline. LA Girl, this one's in the shade Natural, and I have two LA Girls. This one's the green one, and then this is the orange one. This Ulta Fabulous Face Natural Finish Concealer. CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. I have this little sample size of the Bye Bye Under Eye It Cosmetics. This is so old. Like, do you see the packaging? It's like scrape, but it's the NYX Dark Circle Corrector. Lastly, for concealer, I have the MAC Pro Long Concealer in the shade NC20. And then over here I have the Sephora Illuminating Radiant Drops, Cover FX Glitter Drops, two Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. I have one in the shade Starlight and the other in the shade Champagne. And lastly, this is the Tarte Pro Glow. So moving on to the second drawer, which is my favorite drawer because it is well organized. I got these three containers from Dollar Tree. First square is all my high-end circle highlighters. I'm like fake OCD. I want the circles with circles, the squares with squares, you know. This one is the Becca opal one. This one was a limited edition for the breast cancer. Let me just show you guys real quick how cute this was. And this one is Becca's Dreamsicle. This one's cute because of the packaging too. This one is the original packaging. This one is in champagne pop, which is one of my favorites from MAC. This one's Oh Darling. It's such a pretty shade, but it's so damn dry. Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia, Master Chrome. This one's in the shade 50. This one is in the shade 100. This is one of my favorite ones. And then this one's in the shade 150. And then I have a Wet n Wild one. This one is in Precious Petals. This is my second one because my first one my sister stole. Shout out to you, Annabelle. And this one is Gold Flower Crown. And this is my first ever highlighter. Do you guys remember this? In the back I have two Ofra highlighters. This one is in the shade Blissful. I love these Ofra highlighters, I really do. And then this one is in the shade Retro Drive. And then this is Dose of Colors. I have two. This was collaborations. This one's from Desi and Katie. This one is in the shade Fuego. And then this one is in the shade Soulmate. This is the Smashbox collaboration. I legit still have this in the box packaging because it's just so beautiful. Look how damn gorgeous. By Fish Essence Formula Butter Bronzer. I really love this. This was the second one I bought because my nephew decided that it smells so good that he wanted to take a bite of it. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and the Matte Gimme Sun Tahula Bronzer from Benefit is the Tarte blush. This is a sample size and I really love this. The Milani Baked Blush, the Laura Geller Baked Blush. These two are a sample size of the Benefit blushes. This is the High Bean one. This is like an OG, but it's just a sample size. And then a little sample size of the Cover FX. Back here I have two blushes from Sleek Makeup. Wet n Wild blushes. A Avon palette from my grandmother that is dumb old. Look how it's like broken. And this is like my favorite thing to use for blush. And over here I have my Ride or Die Laura Geller translucent powder, and then the Pretty Vulgar. This is also my favorite. And then this little sample of the Laura Geller Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder and Banana, and then the Air Spun, and then a Too Faced Cocoa Powder. The contour palette from Wet n Wild in the shade Dulce de Leche. I really love this yellow. It is such a brightening yellow. So that's all for this drawer. So this is the third drawer, which is my least favorite because it's so ugly but most used. I got these three containers from the Dollar Tree. Oh, and this one too. So up here in the very front I have some paint pots. This is an elf one. I have two of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the CoverGirl Healthy Glow paint pots. Here I have the Salon Perfect Done in One Brow Pomade in dark brown. Bang Beauty Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. Anastasia Waterproof Eyeliner. And this one is the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown. Ulta Beauty Brow Powder. This is from the dollar store. This is a brow powder that I do not use because it's not even my color. And then this is from Pretty Vulgar. This is a black eyeliner. This is like such the cutest package. Maybelline Color Tattoo Pigment from Dollar Tree. Can you believe I got this from the Dollar Tree? These are all NYX glitters. I have some Stiller Glitter in Glow little like sample ones, and then the NYX glitter glue, and then a Tarte eyeliner, a priming potion, and like some other like crap. And then right here I have my mascaras. I got two of the Tarte Lights Camera lashes, and I'm really not a fan of no mascara, but this one is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. The NYX bright ones, the yellows, white, purple eyeliners. And then my favorite ever is the Wet n Wild. And then I have some glitter NYX liners. On the side right here I have a Makeup Forever trio. This was like a little Z palette type thing, and then you put it in yourself. I got this from Influencer. This one from Influencer. This is the Remo London Spice Edition palette. And in the back, I just have a whole bunch of random eyeliners. So this drawer is dedicated to my lips. I got these 2 containers from the Dollar Tree, and then these 2 containers was the set that I got from Amazon that I mentioned earlier. 2 NARS Velvet Lip Pencils, Kat Von D lip liner, some Ulta lip liners, and some Joanna lip liners. And then over here I have 3 lip paints from L'Oreal Benefit Punch Pout lip gloss, sample size of Marc Jacobs lipstick, then 2 lip oils from Ulta, and then this little Beauty by Pop Sugar lip gloss, this NYX lipstick, Remo lipstick in the shade 70. My grandmother's lipstick that I have no idea where this is from, but I kept it because the packaging is so old and it's cute, and it's orange, like a red orange. I like it. I got these Too Faced Melted Mattes minis. These was a holiday collection. And then I have these MAC liquid lipstick. It was a set, that's why I got it, because of these 2 colors. These 3 Bite Beauty lippies from Influencer, and then this Ofra liquid lipstick. 2 Kat Von D, a whole lot of ColourPop. All of these are ColourPop, and some Anastasia back there, and then underneath is more ColourPop. So this is my last drawer, which is my palette drawer. I'm just gonna start off with the latest to my collection, which is the Huda Beauty Coral Obsession. And this is like the cutest like little palette for traveling. It's the Get the Pretty Started by Benefit. It has the Hulu Bronzer, the California Blush, and then the What's Up cream highlighter. And then this right here is the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. This was my first palette ever. And then this is my favorite palette, the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia, and the Anastasia and Prism palette, the Pure Sculpture palette, the Anastasia Aurora palette. It's also new to my collection, which is the Anastasia Sun Dip Glow Kit, and this the Anastasia That Glow Kit. This was me and my sister's favorite highlighters. As you can see, like we hit pan here, almost hit pan on this one. This was my first palette that I bought myself with my own money, the Lorac Pro 2 palette. This was really well loved. And then I have the Morphe 350 M palette, and then this is the Morphe 35M palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, and the QAF by ColourPop palette. This one is another favorite palette. This palette is so cute. I got this from Boxy Charm. It reminds me of like a Jungle Book, like legit a book. It's basically all of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy.